In this video, I will show you how you can check the activation date of your Samsung tablet. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. Then tap on the search bubble over here. Now from here, just scroll down and select promotion and discount. Now from here, just select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy, and also check I would like to receive information. Then tap on submit. Now from here, just select speak with expert. Now just wait for around 2 minutes. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now just type I want to check the activation date of my Samsung tablet. Then tap on send. Now just go to your home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on about tablet, and over here you will find the IMEI number of your tablet. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number until you copy it. Now just go back to the web browser app and paste your IMEI number. Now just type, this is my IMEI number. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until they reply. As you can see, they have replied, and the activation date of our Samsung tablet is the 24th of January 2026. And this is how you can check the activation date of any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.